Thanks for tuning in to the MZ Customs YouTube channel. Make sure you get over to MZ.KustomZ.com, grab yourself a t-shirt, a sweater, a hat, help support me, and I appreciate all the love and support I'm getting from everybody. So on this video, we're going to be getting my tow rig, the Chevy Kodiak, ready for going down to Daytona. I've got some things to do to the trailer to get it ready to go down to Daytona, and we're super excited to get down there and see all our truck friends and family and, you know, get away from the shop life because it's been far too long for that, and really looking forward to getting down to the show.
I came from the mud, there's dirt on my hands. Strong like a tree, there's roots where I stand. Oh, I've been running from the law. Hope they won't shoot me down soon.
So if anybody has ever driven or owned one of these Kodiaks, they know that they're super comfortable inside with the air ride cab and the air ride seats and, you know, all the features that are in it, but they don't ride that smooth. With the 14-ply tires, at highway speeds you're okay, but when you hit bumps or at slower speeds, they really toss you around a good bit. So I decided that I wanted to do an air ride system on the truck. It's a pretty simple system. It still uses half the leaf spring that's in the front. You cut it and mount brackets on the back side of the leaf spring, and then the bag mounts below frame to top of the back side of the leaf spring, and then it comes with you know, obviously the bags, comes with all the bracketry, everything to hold it true, the panhard bar, and then it comes with a really beefy sway bar because they don't have sway bars on the front from factory. These welds off, move this to this side, re-weld it, and get it re-powder coated. Thanks, Kelderman. I could just bring it out till it's almost at the outside edge.
Just match it like the other one.
Yeah, put the weld right on near the edge, and just so I can get good penetration. And we're gonna have to knock out this U-bolt anyways to get a longer one because, yeah, thanks for the new longer U-bolts as well. Yeah. Perfect. Winner, Genyo. Alright. Cool. put the self-leveling height sensor in. Mechanical height sensor, not self-leveling. Beautiful. Put on that side because the air tank's on that side, so shortest distance for airline. Yep. Actually, I might do this side. That side the exhaust runs on. I'm going to run it down this side here. Okay. So we got that onto the truck, got it all dialed in. The way it comes with Schrader valves, so you just shove 40 psi air in each bag and it won't leak out. You're good like that. But since I already had the air ride in the rear, I wanted to tie it all in together, so I just got a mechanical height sensor, put the bracket in, made the stroke ram between the two of them for the height sensor itself, and got that all dialed in and set up. So now the front and rear ride on mechanical air sensors, and now it's like, riding on air is exactly what it is, like a cloud. So we did that and got that all dialed up into the Kodiak and took it for a test drive, and it was a night and day difference in how smooth it was.
Try to catch me howling at the moon.
So with having so many lights on the Kodiak, and I put some new ones on it as well, it was dressed up looking really good. And I looked at my brand new PJ trailer, the B8 from Nationwide Trailers in Fort Worth, Texas. Good buddy of mine, Dallas, down there, got that trailer for me. So if you guys are looking for a trailer, definitely hit them up. But the only problem I had with the trailer is it doesn't have enough lighting for what I like. So we went and put, I think it's 22 or 24 penny lights down each side of the trailer, so that nighttime it would light up really good and match the lights down the side of the truck. So we did that just before going to Daytona. And then with the new trailer, the B8s, they are drive over fenders. So you drive over that with a normal pickup truck, it's okay, it's built for the weight. But driving over that with the 6-shooter that weighs 12 to 14,000 pounds, I didn't want to put that pressure on the fenders, so I just built some simple wood ramping to get up and over the fenders to make sure it doesn't put too much weight onto those fenders themselves. In the future, I'm going to cut something out on the plasma table, all out of steel, make it look nice, powder coat it, put it on, but didn't have the time with getting ready for going to Daytona, so we just did the simple ones out of wood, and it worked the way it should.
When the sunrise, when the sun
So yeah, we got the tow rig all organized, we got the trailer all organized. Next thing to do is tomorrow morning, pin the truck to the trailer, load up the 6-shooter, get ready to go to Daytona. Thanks for tuning in, guys. Thanks for watching this video. Make sure you tell your friends, family, anybody to subscribe to MZ Customs. Stay tuned, because coming up when we hit 1,000 subscribers, we're going to be doing a giveaway. We'll be revealing what that is shortly, so make sure you watch the upcoming videos to see what it's going to be, and see us down in Daytona. Thanks, guys.